Hey guys, I'm back. Now that I got all the prep work done, I am back. First, let me say hello to you, and I hope you're having a blessed and just glorious day, okay? So what I had here was a little less than a pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I have since washed them, cleaned them, and cut them into desired sizes, just a little bit, about an inch, or maybe a little less, a little more. Sometimes it don't matter. So we're going to season this up now, and here I have turmeric, here I have curry powder, then we have garlic powder, and I just realized I don't have my salt or black pepper over here. We have chicken seasoning. This is a little under a pound, or maybe about a pound, so I'm just using about a half a teaspoon of each. And I have garlic powder, onion powder. Let me grab my salt and black pepper. I also have dry thyme. And I have my ground Scotch bonnet for heat because I don't have any fresh ones right now. And a pinch of salt. I am always ready to sneeze when I'm doing this. I swear. So easy. So guys, here's our seasoned chicken. I'm gonna pause for a second, put my stuff away, clean up a little bit, and get my pots ready. Usually I prefer my meat to marinate for a little while. Today will not be one of those days. You know, it happens, so I'll see you back soon. Okay, wonderful people, so I am back. I have my pan heating here. To this pan, I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil. It's just my preference right now. You can use what you choose. I do not like to cook with a lot of oil. It's like as I look at a lot of oil, I feel my stomach talking to me like, what are you doing? Okay, so let's, to this coconut oil, I'm gonna start off with garlic, ginger, and onions. Okay, the garlic, ginger, and onions, I've been cooking for about 2 minutes now. It already smells so good in here. Before I add anything else, I'm gonna add a pinch more turmeric and curry powder. Okay, I have red and green bell peppers here. Let's cook these for about a minute. This is squash. I didn't have any pumpkin, so I'm using a little bit of squash. That's so optional. I'm going to cover this and cook it about a minute or two. Cook down the squash a little bit. And then I'm going to grate her a pinch of nutmeg. Okay, so I am now going to add the seasoned chicken in here. This smell is out of this world. I have about a quarter teaspoon of fresh grated nutmeg I'm going to add here. Ooh, the smell is, oh my God, the smell. I wish y'all could smell it with me. I have a little, eighth of a cup of homemade chicken broth. We're going to cook the chicken, and I will see you back in about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm back, and this is what we have so far. I've been stirring it occasionally. You know, you're cooking curry and you don't have a lot of liquid in there. You want to avoid sticking. So I've been stirring to avoid sticking. Now here I have, 1/4 cupful of coconut cream. So instead of using heavy cream, I am using coconut cream. You do have the option to use heavy cream. I'm going to add to this my celery. And I'm going to take 1/4 cup of water from my pot for my pasta and add to it. Okay guys, I'm going to cook this for about 5 minutes and then come back. See you soon. Okay guys, so 5 minutes and I am back. And next, I added these last because I want to leave a little crunch to them still. My 2 carrots, I shredded them instead of cutting them for the sake of the pasta. And then I have a little bit of chopped up cabbage here. Now this right here could just be some nice curry chicken and vegetables you serve over your white rice just like this. But my husband has been craving pasta, so I did this for him. Right here I have another 1/4 cup of hot water for my pasta. And now I'm going to go in with the cooked pasta. I don't know why I am not a pasta person, but I do eat it occasionally. I'm going to finish putting the pasta in here and get it all incorporated, and I'll see you back. Okay, so here we go guys, my curry chicken pasta. It's almost like a lo mein, yeah. I just have more vegetables than I do pasta. I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you for following my channel. For those of you who have, if you're not and you haven't already done so, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share. And let's grow a wonderful community here, okay? Thank you. From my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours, God bless. I hope and I pray that you are all living a purposeful life, okay? God bless you.